Well, Jen just texted me. She's going to be out late again tonight. I wonder if she realizes how worried that makes me. How do you sleep at night when your kids are out late? I really worry about them, especially when they're driving.
Yeah, I hear you. I always worry about Michael, but it helps knowing that I can just check on him using my ELO GPS.
ELO GPS? What's that?
It's an awesome service that tracks your car, the fuel, and battery levels, even their speed. I can check in on my kids and the status of their vehicle.
Really? That's incredible.
It really is. And since it tracks location, it can tell where your car is if it ever gets stolen. It was originally created to help car dealerships keep track of inventory.
It's lucky someone realized it could be useful for parents like us.
I installed it on all of my family's cars, and it helps me sleep easier knowing I can always check out my kids' location.
Wow, that's amazing. Where did you get it?
I got it when I purchased my new car and the kids' pre-owned vehicles too. But you can get it by contacting any Victory Automotive Group dealership. And then you just download the ELO app for free on the App Store, and then you'll have all the information you need with just a few clicks.
This sounds like just what I need. I wish I knew about ELO sooner.
And you can add ELO to any vehicle, even if you didn't originally purchase it at a Victory dealership. No more late nights worrying, and you can always know that your car is good.
I'm gonna do this first thing tomorrow. This is the exact thing I've been looking for to give me some peace of mind.